Want to unblock someone on Reddit? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a blocked user from your Reddit account. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner and tap on Settings. Next, tap on your username or profile to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find Manage Blocked Accounts and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all the Reddit users you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap Unblock next to their username. As soon as you tap Unblock, that user will be removed from your blocked list, and you'll be able to interact with their public content again. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your Reddit app is updated to the latest version, as menu locations can vary slightly between app versions. And that's how to unblock someone on Reddit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tutorials and tips.